Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a long time, and I'm so excited to be posting again because I didn't mean to be thrown off course so much. About a month or two ago, I really wanted to start a new project, like apart from this channel, and so it took up more time and energy than I thought it would. And it threw me off course. So for a second I did wonder if I should just focus on the other project, but ultimately this channel is really important to me, so I do want to keep posting. Oh no, someone just parked here. So I do want to continue this channel, and then I was thinking I would introduce my other project later down the road when it's more established. So then I'll connect the two things. But for now, I'm having them be separate. And I guess one thing I could say about the other project is that it is mainly a spiritual endeavor. So that is what that's what that will be. And then this channel is more like everything. So let's see, what else? I started a gymnastics program, so that also took up a lot of time and energy, as well as I started playing soccer again, and I was house sitting for a whole month. And then on top of that, I started a job in March, so getting settled into the new job has been a lot too. Actually, I think that I overloaded my plate too much, so I was like kind of running thin for a while, and I kind of hit a point recently where I realized that and acknowledged that, and I want to start slowing down to just like, well, that was so awkward. Those people walk so close to me. I don't know if you would see that in the camera. Maybe like the shadows, I don't know. I forgot if I even said, but I think with this video I'm going to add on some footage from when I got to drive in the snow in my 4Runner. It was during one of the last storms in the Tahoe area, so that was really cool. And I always meant to like post that, but then it was like right in that time where I was starting the other project, and so I'm just really excited to post this and continue with the content on here, because there's just like this voice inside that tells me like this is really important, and it's like a really like great hobby to have for me right now. So I hope you enjoy the snowstorm content and the driving in the snow, and also like I really like the water in the background. That's just the I was gonna say Pacific Ocean, but it's kind of like a little bay. It's not like you know, like right when you get to the beach. It's like it goes around, and it's like kind of cut off by like this lagoon looking thing. So I think it's just like a little bay. I don't know all the definitions to like how water's like surrounded, but anyways, I hope everyone's doing okay in this crazy world, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Okay, everyone, this is where I'm at Kirkwood. I can't even talk because I'm shocked like how much in the mountains I am right now. Can you tell that the snow is just like coming down? It's pretty wild out there. I think my plan is I'm gonna hike up to the ski lifts and then, so yeah, I'm gonna hike up to the ski lifts and just assess the situation, because I've never been here before and I just need to get an idea where I am, like what's happening, because it's not ideal to be at a brand new place like during a snowstorm. But it's also exciting. So bye. I almost did a peace sign. I feel like that's so social media. See you in a bit. I'm in the middle of the trees. It's just so amazing. I like how, well, the snow looks. Like how it's snowing right here. Wait. Like this? Like this. Right here. With the trees around. Looks like a Christmas village. Well, that person got out there. I just really love the snow. Like, there's just snow. Oh, I forgot there's like a pothole there. How did they avoid the pothole? So squeaky.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
We are going left. Wait, how do you get over there?
For 47 miles, continue straight.